Auto-scaling in distributed systems with OS and SageMaker. Definition. Auto-scaling is the capability of automatically adjusting the number of compute resources in a distributed system based on workload changes, ensuring optimal performance, availability, and cost efficiency for large language models (LLM) and retrieval augmented generation (RAG) projects. Leveraging AWS, Amazon Web Services, and SageMaker. Key components: AWS Services, SageMaker, fully managed service for building, training, and deploying machine learning models at scale. Integrated with AWS Auto-scaling for dynamic resource allocation. EC2, elastic compute cloud instances that can be automatically scaled up or down based on predefined conditions or metrics. Auto-scaling groups, logical grouping of EC2 instances that defines scaling policies and monitors metrics to adjust instance counts dynamically. CloudWatch, AWS service for monitoring and logging, providing insights into resource utilization and performance metrics. API Gateway, managed service for creating, publishing, maintaining, and securing APIs, facilitating communication between distributed components. Auto-scaling techniques, scaling policies, define rules or metrics, e.g., CPU utilization, network traffic to automatically add or remove instances based on workload demands. Dynamic scaling, adjusts capacity in real time to handle sudden spikes or drops in workload, ensuring consistent performance and cost efficiency. Scheduled scaling, automatically adjusts capacity based on predictable changes in traffic patterns or scheduled events. Optimizing resource usage, integration with load balancers, works in conjunction with load balancers to distribute traffic across dynamically scaled instances, ensuring even workload distribution. Benefits: scalability, scales resources up or down dynamically to meet changing workload demands and maintain consistent performance in distributed environments. Cost efficiency, optimizes resource usage by scaling resources based on actual usage patterns, reducing operational costs associated with over-provisioning. High availability, ensures availability and fault tolerance by maintaining the desired number of instances or nodes to handle varying traffic loads. Performance optimization, enhances response times and throughput by automatically adjusting capacity to match workload requirements in real time. Operational simplicity, automates resource management tasks, reducing manual intervention and streamlining operations in distributed deployments. Tools and technologies. AWS Auto-scaling, automated scaling feature for EC2 instances, adjusting capacity based on predefined metrics or policies to optimize performance and cost efficiency. AWS CloudWatch, service for monitoring and logging AWS resources and applications, providing real-time insights into performance metrics and auto-scaling triggers. AWS EC2, elastic compute cloud service for resizable compute capacity in the cloud, integrated with auto-scaling for dynamic resource allocation. AWS CLI, command line interface tool for efficient management and configuration of AWS resources and services, including auto-scaling. CloudFormation, infrastructure as code IaaC tool for provisioning and managing AWS resources, ensuring consistency in auto-scaling configurations. Challenges: scaling policies design, designing effective scaling policies based on accurate workload predictions and performance metrics to avoid under or over provisioning. Monitoring and alerting, setting up robust monitoring and alerting mechanisms to detect anomalies and trigger auto-scaling actions in real time. Cost management, monitoring and optimizing costs associated with auto-scaling to balance performance requirements with budget constraints in distributed setups. Integration complexity. Ensuring seamless integration with other AWS services and components, e.g., load balancers, databases for effective auto-scaling. Performance tuning. Fine-tuning auto-scaling configurations and thresholds to achieve optimal resource allocation and workload management.